All right, guys, I'm gonna try to do at least one more. I mean, I'll do this one. I don't know if I can do any more today. Anyways, I hope you're having fun. It's a nice day. I'm going up to number 5. So there's people in here, so I don't want to film them. I'm gonna put it down on the bottom. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm going to P6. Fifth floor.
Going up.
Yeah, you gotta go back.
Oh, no. I'm making a video. My, All right, buddy, one more. Here we are at number 6. All right, guys, I hope you have fun. I'll talk to you soon.
Going up.